Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to reinstall Windows 10 on your laptop or desktop without using a USB drive. If your computer feels slow, freezing at random, or throwing errors you can't seem to fix, then a fresh installation can clear out whatever's causing the trouble. I'll break down both paths, so you can choose what fits your situation. You can reset Windows while keeping your personal files in place, or you can wipe everything and start with a clean install. Either way, by the end of this video you'll know exactly what to expect and how to get your system back into good shape. Before we start, like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. My computer has been running very slowly, so I decided to reinstall Windows 10 on it. If I go to Settings, then System, and then About, you can see that I'm currently using Windows 10 Pro. To reinstall Windows, the first thing we need is the Windows 10 ISO file from Microsoft. Open your browser and search for Windows 10 download. Open the official Microsoft website. Now if you scroll down you'll notice that the section for downloading the Windows 10 ISO is missing. Microsoft removed it from the desktop view, but here's how to bring it back. Click anywhere on the page and select Inspect. A panel will open on the right. At the top of that panel, click the mobile/tablet icon to switch the site to mobile view. Once you do that, refresh the page and then close the Inspect panel. Now if you scroll down again, the ISO download section will appear. From the drop-down, select Windows 10 and click Confirm. Next, choose your language and again click Confirm. After that, choose your system architecture, either 32-bit or 64-bit, and the ISO file will start downloading. Once the download is finished, go to your Downloads folder, right-click the ISO file, and select Mount. A new folder will open showing several files, including one called Setup. To begin the installation, open the Setup file. Windows 10 installation window will open. Now click here and choose Not Right Now. It will start checking your PC. Accept the terms. When it says ready to install, click Change What to Keep. Now here you can choose what to keep. If you choose first option, it will reinstalls Windows but keeps your data and programs. Second option keeps your data but removes your programs and settings. And the last one wipes everything and installs Windows fresh. I will go with third one. Finally, click Install. Now Windows 10 installation has started. It will take some time, so wait until it finishes. Thanks for sticking around. I hope this helped you feel more confident about reinstalling Windows 10 without a USB drive. It's a simple process once you know where to look, and it can make a big difference if your system hasn't been running the way it should. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and share your feedback in the comments section.